Hello friends, welcome back to Shaz Life Science Academy once more. Today we are discussing part A question discussion section. Please wait for a moment. Once again, good morning friends. Today we are discussing part A section. Part A section question workout section. Once again, good morning friends. The video and voice clarity is good. Then we have to discuss some important questions in part A section. In this section, first we have to discuss the odd on out series and problems. Part A section question. First we have to discuss odd on out series. Odd on out series problems. Then first we have first question. Find out the odd numbers in this question. 3, 5, 11, then 14, then 17, then 21. Which one is the odd number in this number pattern series? We have to discuss about the odd on out series problem with the solution. Here the option A is 21, option B is 17, then option C is 14, then option D is 3. When looking into the answer section, answer is option C. Option C, 14 is the answer section. Let's move to the explanation section. Each of the numbers except 14 is an odd number. Each of these numbers, 14 is an odd number. Each of the numbers except 14 is an option. The another numbers are odd number, the 14 is even number. So the odd one out series, the answer is 14. This is a simple question. These are odd numbers, then 14 is even number. So the answer is 14. Then we have to discuss some another questions like that question, the number 14 is the only even number. Then second question, 10, 25, then 45, then 54, then 60, then 75, then 80. In this question, which number is the odd one? The options, just look at the options. First option is 10, the second option is 45, then the third option is 54, then the last option is 75. Which number is the odd one? We have to look at the explanation section. The answer is option C. Option C, 54 is the answer. Option C, 54 is the answer. Let's look into the explanation section. Each of the numbers except 54 is multiple of 5. These numbers are multiple of 5. 10, 25, 45, then 60, then 75, then 80. These numbers are multiple of 5. But 54 is not a multiple of 5. This is the explanation for this question. So the answer is 54. 10, 25, 45, 60, 75, 80 are multiple of 5, but in the case of 54 is not a multiple of 5. Then move back to another question. These are very easy questions. Look at the tough questions. The third question is, sorry friends, third question, 396, 462, then 572, then 427, then 671, then 264. In which pattern the odd, which one of the number is odd one? So there is a option A is 396, then option B is 427, then option C is 671, then option D is 264. Which one is this number is the odd one? Let's discuss. The answer is option B. The answer is option B. Let's discuss the explanation section. In each number except 427, in each number except 427, the middle digit is the sum of the two. The middle digit. Here in this case, the explanation is the middle digit is the sum of the other two. This is the explanation. The middle digit except 427, in each number except 427, the middle digit number. The middle digit number is the sum of the other two. In the case of 396, 3 plus 6 is 9. Then in the case of 462, 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 572, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. In the case of 427, 7 plus 4 is 11. So it is a wrong answer. Then 427 is the odd one. In the case of 671, 61 is equal to 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then 264, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So the odd one is 427. Okay. This is a simplest question in the section of part A in CSIR exams. Then we have to move to another important questions. Fourth question. One minute friends. In the case of fourth question, 2, 5, then 10, 17, then 26, then 37, then 50, then 64. Which one is the odd one? Let's discuss the options. Option A 50, then option B is 26, then option C is equal to 37, then option D 64. Which number is the odd one? Let's discuss. The option in the case of this question, the option is the answer is option D. The answer is option D. Option D is the answer for this question. Then we have to discuss the explanation. Explanation is, in the case of first 2, 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then in the case of 5, 2 into 2 plus 1 is 5. Then in the case of 10, 3 into 3 plus 1 is 10. Then in the case of 17, 4 into 4 plus 1 is 17. Then in the case of 26, it is 5 into 5 plus 1 series. Then in the case of 37, 6 into 6 plus 1 is 37. Then in the case of 15, 7 into 7 plus 1 series. Then in the case of 64, 8 into 8, 8 into 8, 56, then 8 into 8, then there's a problem. Yes, 8 into 8 plus 1 is the wrong digit. This is the wrong pattern. So 64 is the odd one. Okay, this is the explanation. 1 into 1 is 2, then 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. In the case of 8 into 8 plus 1 is not 64. So the odd one is 64. Okay, then move to the second question. The fifth question. Fifth question. 331, 482, 551, then 263, 383, 284. Which one is the odd out number? Which one is the odd out? Then we have to find the options. Option A is 263. Then option B is 383. Then option C is 331. Then option D is 551. Which of these number is the odd one? Let's discuss the odd one number. The answer is option B. Option B is the answer. Let's find out the explanation. In each number except 383, the product of first and third digit is the middle one. Product of first and third digits is the middle one. Let's look at the question. Each except there 383, the product of first and third digit is the middle one. Let's look at the first one. 3 plus 1. Sorry. The product of first and third digit is the middle one. Here there is a mistake in this question. Except the product of first and third digits. First and third digit. Product. So 3 into 1 is equal to 3, then 4 into 2 is equal to 8, then 5 into 1 is equal to 5, then 2 into 3 is equal to 6, then 3 into 3 is not 8, 9. So this is the wrong one, and 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So the except 383, the product of first and third digits is the middle one. This is the answer and explanation for this question. Then we have to move to the another important question. In the case of sixth question, 41. First one is 41, then the second number is 43, then the third number is 47, then the fifth number 53, 61, then 71, then 73, then 81. In this number, which of the number is odd one? Just look at the options. Option A 61, then option B 71, then option C 73, then option D is equal to 81. In this number of series, which one is the odd one? So let's discuss the explanation and answer section. Option D 81. 81 is the answer. We have to move to the explanation section. Each of the numbers except 81 is a prime number. 81 is a prime number. The other numbers are prime numbers. So the 81 is odd on. Except 81, the another, each of the numbers are prime number. So 81 is odd on out series. Then move to another important question. Seventh question. 16, 33, then 65, then 131, then 261. Okay, in this series, which one of the number is odd one? Just look at the options. Here it is continuous. Then the options are 523, then 521, then option C is 613, then option D is equal to 721. In the case of this question, the number is continuous. Here in the case of this question, the answer is option A 523. 523 the answer. Then we have to discuss the explanation, how it will be 523. Each number is twice the preceding one with one added or subtracted alternatively. That is the explanation. Each number is twice the preceding one with one added or subtracted. Alternatively. This is the exam and this is the explanation for this question. Then look at the case. So the next number is 2 into 261 plus 1 is equal to 523. So the 523 is the odd one. Sorry, in this question the next series number is asked. So the next number we have to find out the not the odd one series, we have to find out the next number. So the next number is 523. Sorry friends, in this question we have to find out the next number, not an odd number, the next number. So the next number is 523. Each number is twice the preceding one with one added or subtracted alternatively. So the next number is 523. Then we have to find out another type this question. 8th one is 8, 7, 11, 12, 14, 17, 22, the next number. What is the next number? Here in question is the question. Option A is 27, option B is 20, then option C it's 22, then option D is 24. Okay, then we have to check out the answer. The case of answer of this question is option B. Option B is the correct answer for this question. 20 is the correct answer. Let's find out the explanation. There are two series. There are two series. Like this, 8 into 11, then 14, then 17, then 20. This is the first series, and 7, 12, 17, then 22. This is the second one. Here in this question there is 217. This is my not 117. This is a fault in this question. There is 217 number increasing by 3 and 5 respectively. Let's check. There are two series. In this question there is 217. So there are two series, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, and 17, 12 and 17, 22. These are the two series increasing by 3 and 5 respectively. So the answer is option B, 20 is the right answer. For the next number is option B. And we have to move out the second question. Sorry, the 9th question. (11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, then 31, then 37, then 41. Then what is the next number? Here in this case, option A is equal to 43, then option B 47, then option C 53, Then option D 51. Which one of the number is the answer? Let's check out the answer. Option A 43 is the correct answer for this question. Option A 43 is the correct answer. Let's check the explanation. In this case of explanation, we have to check the number are all primes. Numbers are all primes. These numbers are all primes, prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. The next prime, so the next prime. The next prime number is 43. So the answer is 43. These numbers are all prime numbers. So the next prime number is 43. So the answer is 43. Then look at the 10th question. Eight, 24, 12, 36, 18, 54. Then what is the next number? Here in the case of option A 27, option B 108, then option C is 68, then option D is 72. Which of this number is the next number? Look at the answer section. The answer is option A 27 is the answer. Option A 27 is the answer. Just look into the explanation section. Numbers are alternatively multiplied by 3 and divided by 2. Numbers are alternatively multiplied by 3 and divided by 2. Here in this case, so the next number 54 divided by 2 is equal to 27. So the next number is 27. 8 multiplied by 3 into 8 is 24, then 24 divided by 2 12, then 12 into 3 36, then 36 divided by 2 18, then 18 into 3 54, then divided by, then the next case 54 divided by 2. So the 27 is the right answer. Okay friends, let's move to the next question. Here is the next question, 11th question. 4 comma minus 8 comma then 16, then minus 32, then the next one is 64. Then what would be the next number in this series? Option A 128, option B minus 128, then option C 192, then option D minus 192. Which one of the answer? Which in this option, which one of the answer? The next number. You have to find out the next number. So the answer here in this question, the answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Option B minus 128 is the correct answer. Here is the explanation for this question. Each number is the preceding number multiplied by 2. Each number is the preceding number. Preceding number multiplied by -2. So, the required number is -128. This is the answer. Let's check. Each number is preceding number multiplied by 2. Multiply by -2. So, it get -18, then -32, then 64. Next number -128. Multiplied by -2. Each number is the preceding number multiplied by 2. So, it gets -128. We have to move to the 12th question. Seven, 26, 63, 124, 215, 342. What would be the next number? Option A 481, then option B 511, then option C 391, then option D 421. Here in this case, the answer of this question is option B 511 is the answer. Let's discuss about the explanation section. Numbers are here in this section. Numbers are find out by 2 raised to 3 minus 1 in this pattern. Then 2 raised to 3 is 8. Then 2 cube is 8. Then minus 1 7. It will get 7. Then 3 cube minus 1 is equal to 26. Then 4 cube minus 1. Then 5 cube minus 1. Then 6 raised to 3 minus 1. Then 7 raised to 3 minus 1. Then etc. So the next number is 8 cube minus 1. So it is equal to minus 1. So it is equal to 512. 8 cube is equal to 512. 512 minus 1 511. So the answer is, the next number is 511. Okay, let's move to the another question. Fourteenth question. 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. What would be the next number? What would be the next number? Here in this case, options are option A 354, then option B is 343, then option C is 392, then option D 245. Which number is the next number? So here in this case, the answer is option B 343 is the correct answer. the next number is 343. Then just look the explanation section. Here in this case, numbers are 1 cube is 1, then 2 cube is 8, then 3 cube, 3 raised to 3 is 27, then 4 raised to 3 is 64, then 5 raised to 3 is 125, then 6 raised to 3 is 216, then the next one will be 7 raised to 3. That is the answer. So the missing number, the next number is 7 raised to 3. It's equal to 343. So the answer is 343. Then the next number would be 343. Then we have to move to the last and final question for this section. Question. This is the final question. 3, 7, 6, 5, 9, 3, 12, 1, 15. What would be the next number? I have to find out the next number. So the option A is 18 and option B is 13, then option C is -1, then option D is 3. Which would be the answer? The next number is, the correct answer for this question is answer C, option -1. Answer C, option -1 is the correct answer. The next number is -1. Then just look the explanation section. There are two series. In this case, there are two series to consider. Beginning respectively with 3 and 7. Then considering beginning respectively with 3 and 7. Just consider this sentence, 3 and 7. Here there are two series, that is important. Then beginning with 3 and 7 and then the third sentence is, third important point, the 1, 3 is added and in another 2 is subtracted. That is the point. Main point is, in 1, 3 is added and in another 2 is subtracted. Then the next number would be 1 minus 2. So it's equal to -1. There are two series beginning respectively with 3 and 7. In 1, 3 is added. First case, 3 is added. 3, 6, 9, 12. Then in another 2 is added. So 2 is subtracted. First case, first series in blue, 3, 6, 9, 13, 15. Here in this case, 3 is added with the first series. Then in the second series, in red color, 7, 5, 3, 1. Here in the second series, 2 is subtracted. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5, then 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, then 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So the answer is minus 1. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends. In next series, I will introduce some other models of Part A section and CSIR section. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, friends. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and like my video. Thank you, friends.